everyone, it's Sunday and we're gonna do a family trip to Duluth. We're gonna go study some waterfalls. Gonna start with Gooseberry Falls. Gonna check it out, get some drone footage for you, and that's it. We're gonna start our day off heading up to Duluth.
Show me hope and glory, write us a different story, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night.
What?
Buckle.
What are you saying?
Buckle.
Can you say please?
Please buckle.
Okay, you're right. Thank you. I told him he always has to do that. If I'm not wearing my seatbelt. What else? If someone's looking at their phone when they're driving, what are you supposed to say, Parker?
Excuse me.
Yeah, no, you say, you're driving, get on off that phone. All right, road trip. We're gonna go study waterfalls.
So send me lights and angels, help me through the changes, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. So show me hope and glory, write us a different story, and I'll be.
All right, so we stopped at Culkin Rest down there. Beautiful spot, just on the way up to Duluth on 35. Check it out. All right, everyone, we'll talk to you soon on our way to Duluth. All right, so there's the lift bridge. We're gonna head to Canal Park and check that out. We're down here in Duluth. Wasn't that a nice drive?
No.
No.
Show me lights and angels, help me through the changes, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Oh, show me hope and glory, write us a different story, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night. Oh, 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 oh.
No, it's not the ocean. That's Lake Superior behind me. We are actually on the Wisconsin side of Lake Superior here in Duluth. Behind us is Canal Park, the lift bridge. So cool to come down here. We got a ship coming in at 2, so we'll get some footage of that. But I just wanted to show everybody how violent this lake can really be. Even though it's not the ocean, I mean, you still don't want to be in there. There's probably some people surfing on this beach somewhere down there too. I can't tell, but we get some pretty good waves here. Even though we're in Wisconsin, Minnesota area, eh?
Show me lights and angels, help me through the changes, and I'll be waiting on Christmas night.
All right, so that's Gooseberry Falls behind me. It's August right now, so the water flow's not too crazy, which is really fun because you can see people are walking all around, checking it all out. So we're gonna kind of do the same thing. We're gonna walk around, we're gonna show you kind of some of the things we look for on how the water carves its way through rocks and boulders.
Hi, this is Pontoon Water Gun. I have a bucket in my hand. Actually, two. Watch this, guys. And this is the pole container. This is the pole gun.
Oh my God, are you okay?
That's the pole gun. Oh.
at Palisade Head. This is where Erica said yes to when I asked her if she would marry me. We got engaged just up over the hill here. I'm gonna try and put the drone in the air. As you can see, I love coming up north, and it's been a yearly tradition for us. We love to go to different waterfalls. We're gonna stop at one more today, which is Beaver Bay. We saw this cool little stream. The waters are down right now because it's kind of been a dry summer, which is kind of normal. So we're really able to see how that water has worked its way through these rocks. So it's really sunny out. The day after, a little bit after Thanksgiving, it's a Tuesday. It's been really nice. We've been able to have some time off and get to spend some time with family. And we are making a volcano. I don't know, we're always trying to do stuff with our family and trying to make adventures and do fun times. So today we're gonna be doing our volcano and setting it off and getting to see what this looks like.
And
so
also
Parker gets to pour the water. I'm gonna put the stuff in there and we're gonna set it off. Let's see what happens. Alright, that has been fun. A little bit anticlimactic on the explosion, but that's alright.
Waiting on Christmas night.